You are about to dive into a universe where video editing transforms into the master key for YouTube success. In this video, the YouTube Pro Secrets channel unveils the secrets to capturing and, more importantly, retaining your audience, turning them into a loyal community. Get ready to demystify editing, making it a powerful ally, even if you're starting from scratch, without extensive resources or prior experience. The promise is clear. You will learn to elevate the quality of your videos in a practical and accessible way. Our journey begins with one of the most crucial decisions: choosing your video editor. And here, the recommendation is emphatic: Movavi, version 2024. Why? Because it's the antithesis of complex software that often frustrates beginners. With an intuitive and lightweight interface, Movavi adapts even to more modest computers, ensuring your creativity isn't limited by technology. It was designed for those seeking quality results without getting lost in overwhelming menus and functions. It's the ideal starting point to explore the world of editing headache-free. We then move to the heart of any engaging video: cuts. The video emphasizes that a dynamic video is one that holds attention. This means ruthlessly eliminating everything superfluous. Those awkward silences, hesitations before a sentence, the ums and ahs. Every cut is a step towards a faster pace and more concise content. Think about it: a shorter, impeccably edited video will always outperform a long, drawn-out one. Movavi, with its clear and easy-to-use timeline, makes the task of cutting and trimming clips child's play, allowing you to refine your content with millimeter precision. After giving your video rhythm, it's time to add a touch of professionalism with text insertion. The video demonstrates how these can be much more than just captions. They are powerful tools to emphasize keywords, highlight important information, or even add a touch of humor. Movavi shines here, offering a vast library of text templates, including animated and pre-designed options. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create impactful titles and captions. Just choose, customize, and position. It's the perfect way to guide your viewer's eye and reinforce your message. But a video isn't just about visuals. Audio plays a fundamental role. The video acknowledges a common reality. Many beginners record with their phone microphones, which often results in background noise. But don't worry, Movavi introduces an AI-powered noise removal tool that is a true game-changer. With just a few clicks, that annoying hum or unwanted ambient sound disappears, leaving your voice clear and professional. It's a feature that alone justifies choosing the software for those seeking audio quality without expensive equipment. And speaking of magic, prepare for the future of editing: AI background removal. Forget complicated green screens and perfect lighting. Movavi brings a function that, with a few clicks, can isolate your subject or person from the background, allowing you to replace the scenery with any image or video you desire. Whether creating a special effect or simply giving your video a more polished look, this tool, with its quick or precise mode options, opens up a limitless array of creative possibilities. It's like having a professional studio in the palm of your hand. Visual beauty is also crucial, and the video doesn't forget to mention image quality enhancement. You don't need to be an expert in color grading. Movavi offers predefined color adjustment templates that can instantly transform your video's atmosphere. And if you want to go further, there's the freedom to customize every detail, adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation to achieve the perfect aesthetic your brand deserves. A well-treated image elevates the perceived value of your content. For lovers of good visual effects, the video presents examples like a colored smoke pack, demonstrating how animated elements can add a touch of style and identity to your channel, depending on your niche. These effects are easy to apply and can bring new life to more static scenes. Ease of use is a constant with Movavi, and the timeline interface is proof of this. Even for those who have never edited, the intuitive arrangement of clips, audio, and effects makes the assembly process a pleasant and straightforward experience. Another fun and functional highlight is the stickers with automatic AI tracking. Imagine being able to fix virtual sunglasses, funny hats, or masks onto moving faces within your video, and they follow every movement fluidly. This technology, once complex, is now accessible, allowing you to add humor and creativity with impressive realism. And to finalize the montage elegantly, the video addresses transitions. Far from being just an embellishment, proper transitions guide the viewer's eye from one scene to another smoothly and professionally. Movavi offers an infinity of options, from the most classic to thematic and dynamic packs, ensuring you find the perfect transition for every moment of your video, adding a touch of flow and continuity that elevates the quality of your narration. In short, the video is an irresistible invitation for you, the aspiring content creator, to invest in your learning and the right tools. Movavi, even in its free version, offers an arsenal of functionalities that can catapult the quality of your videos. The final message is one of pure encouragement. Do not hesitate to dive into the world of editing. YouTube's success awaits those who dedicate themselves to refining every aspect of their content, and editing is, without a doubt, one of the strongest pillars of this journey. Start today, and watch your vision come to life on screen. Now, if you want to know everything about YouTube monetization in 2025, such as requirements, how much you earn and how it works, then click this video now.